Passing through a journey of decades, hospitality and tourism industry has entered into an era of globalization, expanding its footprint in major cities of Pakistan including Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad and in Dubai. COTHM has stood out as the leading international hotel school of Pakistan. Established in year 2002 in Lahore, the cultural hub of Pakistan, COTHM has made its mark on the horizon of hospitality and tourism industry by imparting world-class education and training in the fields of hospitality, culinary arts, baking and patisserie, travel, tourism and airline management and health, and food safety from certification to the master's level. COTHM features state-of-the-art training facilities through focus on personality grooming and development, intensive workshops, developing international careers through internship programs and job placement, and an array of value-added services for the students. In today's world, knowledge is power, and education is the training to acquire the power. At COTHM, education is celebration and exuberance. Every day of rejoicing life and discovery of your own self. The hospitality and tourism industry has evolved as a global and the fastest growing industry. COTHM has the world-acclaimed awarding bodies on board, namely American Hotel and Lodging Educational Institute USA, Confederation of Tourism and Hospitality UK, Institute of Commercial Management UK, International Air Transport Association, Canada, Highfield, UK and World Chefs to deliver internationally recognized qualifications. The professional networking of COTHM with its international partners lends easy transfer for students of COTHM to choose their study pathway in the international education market across the globe. The International Office of COTHM in Dubai organizes international exposure tours for the students to provide them with experience of participating in international fairs, marts, festivals, cultural exchange programs, conferences and competitions. COTHM promises to equip its students with knowledge, skill sets and an attitude to steer their course of professional excellence and thrive happily in the global village.
Hi, this is Chef Humaira and I have graduated from COTHM in Certificate of Professional Baking. I believe COTHM combines a thorough culinary education with valuable real-life kitchen skills and a concretely designed curriculum for its students to enter into the culinary workforce. It has enabled me to achieve my biggest dream of running my own business. And today, Alhamdulillah, I own my bakery with the name of Press Chic Bakers and Sweets. And I have opened up about 6 to 7 branches in the last 2 to 3 years and looking forward to more. Thank you, COTHM, for making me who I am today. And I owe a great deal of my success to you.
This is Deep Khokar, front office manager at the Pearl Continental Hotel Lahore, one of the largest hotel chain flagship property of Hashu Hotels, which gave me the edge when I joined COTHM back in 2006, College of Tourism and Hotel Management, जहाँ पे मैंने अपनी academics पूरी की 2 साल का डिप्लोमा. उसने मेरी academics को इतना strong किया. Then I went in the market and I got the job with the multinational companies in UAE, and now that I'm back in Pakistan, proud to feel by working in a largest hotel chain in the country. Thank you.